We're coming live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. Guys, today I'm replacing my door. The driver's side is kind of damaged, so I got a door that I'm replacing. I have it behind here, inside the vehicle. There you go, guys. That's the door. So we're gonna be replacing it with the same paint. You don't have to buy brand new door, and it's gonna be all prime and painted. So this is the way you gotta do. Come back here and set up, remove 2 bolts from the hinges right here, and there are 2 more right there. There's a plug that comes in here, out here, to get to the electrical, the control module, and there's a bolt right here. Get this one, the door is going to be out without taking the fender out. So I'm not going to replace this side here. I might probably just buff it here because of the scratch. And we can get, there's the control module plug that was showing you guys. This one goes to right to the door, and from there.
That's a beautiful car, man.
So we're gonna go back and take the door and gonna put it back in there, the one in the trunk, and we insert it. And the only thing when I got the second door is like they cut the wire, the harness that's supposed to be right here in the back corner with the control right there. So they cut the wires instead of unplugging them. So that's gonna be a problem a little bit. So we're gonna fix. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, so now the panel is out. It's kind of a little bit tricky. You gotta take your time. Don't use force. Pressure, use it, you're gonna be in so much trouble. And my buddy right here, you know, he's a professional. I know what he's doing. This is what he does. And we're just doing some stuff here. This is how the door is reinforced. There's a bar right in the middle, so if you get into an accident, you can just bust it all the way through, and something's gonna stop the impact for a while. So these are all the things that open the door, locking in, whatever, wiring, speakers, the plugs. So since my plug was cut, guys, they cut that head, so now it's gonna be much. He's gonna try and get the wires oriented again, so we can able to go from there. So I'll give you another update from here. jwsolarusa. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye for now. And you guys, again, that's another tricky way of removing those clips. Some of them been in the vehicle for quite a long time, and you know, when you push them in, they expand like legs and end up stretching. This is how it's gonna look like when it comes out. So you're trying to use that tool and bend it, and mostly sometimes snap one of the legs there. So you just gotta take your time, or maybe you put your hand underneath and press it. Use a long nose plier and squeeze it, and it's gonna release. Or sometimes you can just use your fingers, depending how strong you are. You're not gonna hurt yourself. Because if you have some kind of flimsy fingers, then you're in trouble. Like, you know, we got some hands like a tough person, then you're gonna break a nail. All of a sudden, you're gonna be blood everywhere. So it's like, are you fixing the door, or you just kill a chicken? You don't want that. So now your project is all lagged behind. They gotta use some band-aids and all that craziness. So be careful. And if you want, you can use a tool, gloves, tough gloves, and you can go ahead. But you know, when you have gloves on, it's really hard to work with gloves. If you're not used to it, that's really a pain. But if you're used to work with gloves, then you can navigate yourself pretty well. So this is what you're gonna deal with if you want to do your door. So most of the time, you know, it's recommended just leave it with some people who knows how to do things. I hope this helps. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa. That was a crazy clip that was holding it.
Yeah.
So because we want to save it, we don't have spears, or else we're gonna end up having wires hanging everywhere, or you're gonna be driving, your vehicle's gonna be rattling like mice on the doors, and especially some people that have very loud sound system. Anytime you push that bass, is gonna just rattle so hard. So make sure you get your clips. Some people can buy brand new ones, installing back the door, whatever. They just use new ones. So if you go to the dealership, you might probably get something like that. They do that, but it's gonna be tons of money because it's their vehicle and they think they can tell you what to do. That's why use locals. You know, they don't own those vehicles, but they know how it works. All right, guys. You know, to remove the speaker, it's not like just popping anything like everybody can say pop things. You end up breaking all those clips. So there was a thing right here that latches right there. So if you don't try to observe or try to go through a certain routine, then you're gonna be snapping every clip. By the time you get done, and you don't even have any working. Alright guys, this is a new look for the vehicle. I changed the headlights and give them like a smoke, dark light, a smoky one, and instead of having the white beam totally. And this is how the vehicle looks like. So it's already fixed.